Alright, my lovely people. So, before we start this video, this is the second time recording this video. First things first, because well, my my mic stopped working and I was recording the video, and when I'm like ready for editing thing, it wasn't, yeah. But a few things to talk about. See if I can remember exactly what I said or as I said it. First thing first, as per usual, we are currently at $21.40. There's a little thing though. My channel, like it, I don't know. I got a copyright notification to actually put back, like take down a video. It was a book, the 4 Hour Work Week, and it was really what was giving me most of the money, if I'm being honest. It contributed $16 mash out of the $21. So the big chunk. So I don't know what's going to happen to my channel now. Yeah, here's that. And let's have the sub story. I have a few things for you guys today. I'm gonna try to keep the video simple. First things first, all the news, like one of my friends, like he finally quit his job. He was watching my videos on Forex and thing. Plus I had a little like private thing with him and we were talking and him some there. I'm just start making enough money. I'm just quit him job. And it's not even a whole lot. It was like $20-$30 a day or so, but that's enough for him in Jamaica because it's like $5,000 or even $6,000. You see me? So that's like if you're getting a degree kind of pace. If you get that consistent, that's like 80,000 to 100,000 per month. So kudos to him. Congratulations. And yeah. Now back to my sad story of a life. Alright, so this is USD JPY. I haven't traded in a while, but the first trade I took this week was bam. It went down in profits, and then I was going to work. So by the time when I reached back at work, it was like right here and just been consolidating, and I came out of the trade. I ended up losing like about $1 or $2. But yeah, that was that. Like really trashy. And then USD JPY. This is the thing, the video that I recorded first. I had some lines crossed right here because it was just consolidating, and this was for your JPY. It had a tendency to like, all right, it had the times when it just follows suit as like higher lows, lows, bam, 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 sell, buy, whatever. And it has a time where it behaves like USD JPY, where it just crawls and just like, do a lot of foolishness. But if I was like looking, or at least even like, I don't know, I guess it's a compilation with me being tired and, really stressed out and whatever. But, if I was looking, I could have probably gotten a trade like, all right, bam, each up here, so then sell, then buy, then etc. But it is what it is, fams. It is what it is. But basically, what I see going to happen now is that basically what you're going to do is come back all the way here, so, and then afterwards, it yeah, right here, so either push down, continue. So you get it, try it. Push down, like come right here, so then come down. Can check it out and see what happens Monday or Sunday, or you can just come back up and so that's that. So I don't really took any more trades from your JPY because as I say with a consolidate, and I picked up, I'm gonna say I'm just breezed off for the week, so I'll go on. So I went to USD JPY. Oh, on top of that, I was like putting multiple lots. Like I don't know, it's like I got about like a beginner fever. Because I was off for like a month or so, so I got like a beginner fever, and then it was just crazy. So no, I was like down. I don't even know how much. Like I would say about over 30% of my account. So that it was just like crazy. It was just crazy. But that's that. Now we went to USD JPY. I took this trade. I took this trade early on, and I say yo, it just been consolidating because that's what USD JPY does. You see me? But then it finally, bust the youth stem, and I'm gonna show you exactly what happened. I took this trade, and sometimes it's crazy. So you notice price bounce, 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 bounce here. Alright, I should put this in document. I didn't even record it, but as I said, I was going to be big in a fever. But anyways, so price, just basically there, and then it broke. You see me? You understand? Break retest push. The 1 hour. This was literally the only green candle that was on it. So it retest. I'm like, alright, bam, and you see the wick, and then you see basically the red. But I entered from right at the edge as my C go down. So from C close below all of the mirror, I was like, you know what? I think it's time. But if you look at 15-minute time frame, you would see that. See if I can show you properly. So you see price basically touching the hole right here. So the hole here right here. So let me see if I can. Yeah, price that touched all the way right here. So right here. So and then now it becomes, so basically old floor turn new roof, and then price just continued on its lovely way. So this trade, I was down 30% when I like midweek, but no, I this is like a 1 to 6 basically. 1 to 6 from that 10 lots. It was about $60. $60 basically. Yeah. Thereabout. Yeah. So you see these two red lines. One, this line, I came out of the trade right here. So it was actually 1 to 3 for me right there. And I came out and I looked at it and said, you know what? You still have more places to go. So go so bomb. If you look, it still had more places to go. Right there. It was retesting at this point or anything. So I just, I re-entered. Same lot size basically. So if you take right here, so then continue, and then I came out like at 2 because I don't want to hold my trade until the next day or whatever. So there was that. Yeah. So if I check here, so out of the 60, so that'll just be right 10. So basically 50 pips are capped from UJ is me vibe. 50 pips as per usual. Alright, so basically that was the week for me. And no, for the special thing, I don't even know if anybody's still here, but if you are, thumbs up, respect OG. And I'm going to even start with some crazy things, and it's like let's some prize like the back part of the videos, isn't me? Say this, I am working on something. Right, I am working on something special. It is an Excel document for my stock course I'm creating. But vibe for create course. Why YouTube I don't vibe. So this is like a stock course. Yeah, I'm just still writing down formulas, and it's not me alone did do this. Basically, me and someone working on it because I wasn't proficient in Excel. Still learning, but we're getting there. So basically, I have this that tracks the whole market, Jamaica Stock Exchange, like that, and it shows the closing price, changing price, P/E ratio, which is price to earnings, projected P/E ratio, price to book value, dividend yield, and as you see, the highest I've seen right now is Carreras, which was 2020. It's literally a cigarette company, so I don't really think there's much changing for it right there. But if you want a dividend stock portfolio, it's going to be like a really good Excel sheet that you can work with. When the year over, which is like, oh, alright, say it did good this year, then it did bad, going to all the work. Comparative quarter, where basically we are comparing each quarter to say, how 2020 was compared to 2022, 2023, etc., etc., etc. And we're doing valuation. So we're doing ticker symbol. And ticker symbol is basically like Grace with GK and them things there. Yeah, P ratio, price to book, etc., etc., etc. Alright. I have another thing I want to like is compare like market comparison. So like say you can't compare honey bun with, let's say, First Rock. Because First Rock is real estate and honey bun is foods. So it'd be difficult for you to compare performance or even cash reserves or anything for that matter to like, say, alright, we're comparing. So what I'm trying to do now is like after using the Mayberry spreadsheet, basically we just categorize them into the particular industry. And from there, so now we just, transition on. So yeah, it should be a vibe. I aiming for year end, and that should be good. So catch you guys in the next video. If you're still here, the vibe, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and your boy catch you in the next video. Peace.